Hey guys, this is Vikas once again back with another tutorial, and in this tutorial I will show you how to create a 4-step infographics in just PowerPoint. So without wasting any further time guys, let's get started. Just click on insert option. Here you will find a new slide option, click on that and choose a blank slide over here. Now first we will create this shape. Let me show you how the shape is made up of, which type of elements are involved in this. So the main element is this triangular shape, so I'm going to create it first. After that we'll create this strip, blue strip, and finally we will put some icons and the text over here to make it complete. Okay, so it is looking very attractive, beautiful and eye-catching guys. So you can use this project, you can use this template in many of your projects. So as per your project you can modify the infographics as per your need guys. So what I'm going to do, I will create this triangular shape. So to do that, what I'm going to do, I will choose a rectangle shape over here, as you can see, and drag a rectangle over here like this. Okay, now make it no outline. Okay guys, and after this what I'm going to do, I'll again choose a isosceles triangle over here and drag an isosceles triangle. Just make it say no outline, and let me change the color of this triangle to yellow one so that we can differentiate between the color of these two shapes. Now what I'm going to do, I will make this triangular vertically, flip this triangle vertically, okay, and reside it to get fitted in this particular rectangle, blue rectangle over here. Okay, now again I'm going to duplicate this triangle by pressing Ctrl D and put this triangle at the bottom part of this blue rectangle. Now as you can see in the previous, let me take the reference of the previous slide. In this slide you can see this, the bottom part is more pointed but the top part is less pointed over here. So I'm going to do the same. I'm going to drag this triangle to the upward to make it more pointed like this, and again I'm going to drag this triangle downward to make it less pointed over here. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I will choose this blue rectangle over here, press Ctrl and choose this yellow part, yellow upper triangle, and click on format option. Here you will find a merge shape option guys, so please click on this, and here you have to select the subtract option over here. Before doing that, what I'm going to do, I will slightly decrease the size of this triangle over here and choose this blue rectangle, press Ctrl and select this yellow triangle, and here you will find a merge shape option. If you're not able to see this option, merge shape, then you have to first click on the format option. After this you are able to see the merge shape option over here. So click on this option and choose a subtract option so that we can subtract this triangular part from the blue rectangle shape. Got it? Now what I'm going to do, I will select all these two shapes over here. Before doing that, I'm going to decrease the sharpness of this triangle to this much and place it over here and select all these shapes, and again I'm going to click on format option, which I have already clicked on, and the merge shape option will appear here. So click on that and choose union option so that we can make these two shape one. Now our this shape is completed. So what I have to do, I have to create this strip over there. So to do that, click on insert option. Here you will find shape option. Just click on that and choose this trapezium option over here. Sorry, this parallelogram option over here. Drag a parallelogram like this and make it no outline. Just simply I'm going to simply click on this option because I have already used this no outline previously, so there is no need to drag it over here and choose no outline. Just click on this particular option and it will be remove the outlines from this shape. Now put this shape over the yellow shape and decrease the width of this shape. Just rotate it something like this and place it over here. Let me zoom in the shape so that we can see clearly. Yeah, that's fine. Now again I'm going to make it zoom so that I can see the shapes clearly, because now I'm going to make a very smaller triangle. So click on this triangle. Here you will find a right triangle over here. Just click on that and drag a triangle like this. Make it no outline. Let me change the shape to this one, and just click on rotate option and flip it horizontally like this. Place this triangle over here. Just right click the red triangle and send it to back like this. Press Ctrl D to make a duplicate copy of this triangle and place it over here. Flip it horizontally as well as vertically and place this triangle over here. Just right click over here and send this triangle, red small triangle, to back like this. Now I'm going to zoom out from here so that we can see the shape clearly. Now what I'm going to do, I will choose all these strip part and press Ctrl G to make a group and place it down like this. Now you can see the shape is already done. So now you have to do what you have to do. You just have to click on shape option again and choose an oval shape option over here. Just drag an oval shape and make it no outline, guys. Okay, now what you have to do, click on effect option. Here you will find the shadow option. Click on that and choose a presets to this much offset presets. Offset center you have to choose. And now what I'm going to do, I will increase the blurriness of this shadow and decrease the size like this. Also I'm going to make it more transparent, like I'm going to make it something 76, and again I'm going to make the blurriness like this much. Now what you have to do, you just have to put this shape. Let me change the shape fill to red one so that we can see the shape, and place this over here. Now decrease the blurriness to this much, increase the size to this much, guys. Okay, and I'm going to decrease the transparency, increase the blurriness, and choose the color to this much, this one. Just right click over here and send this oval shape to back. Again click on yellow shape and send this yellow shape to the back. Okay, now select pen. You have to click on select pen over here, and now you have to click on oval shape option over here and drag this oval shape to something here and here. Now it's done, guys. I'm going to close the selection pane as well as the format background pane over here. So now what I'm going to do, I will choose this color sample, copy this color sample over here and paste it. Sorry, I will copy this color sample and paste this color sample over here like this. So for this shape, what I'm going to do, I will choose, right click over here, format shape option. I will choose a solid fill option over here and will choose this color over here. Okay, and now what I'm going to do, I will zoom out from here. From here I will copy this text, or before doing this I'm going to fill color in this particular shape. So I'm going to choose a gradient fill option over here and size from here. For the left handle, what I'm going to do, I will choose this color, I will choose this darker color. For the right handle, what I'm going to do, I will choose this lighter color like this. Okay, for these two triangles, what I'm going to do, I will choose this color, and for this triangle, small triangle guys, so for this small triangle, first I have to zoom in, and now you can see the triangle over here. So for this triangle I'm going to use the same gray color like this. Okay, so now what you have to do, you just have to put these text over there on the slide, this and this, all these text you have to paste there. So first I'm going to copy this text and this icon also. Press Ctrl C and paste it over here like this. Place it over here. I will describe the type of the text as well as the site where I have downloaded these icons over here. Okay, so for the bottom part, make a shadow like you can see here is a shadow. To make that, what I'm going to do, click on insert option, choose an oval shape over here and drag an oval shape like this. Make it no outline and fill this oval shape with something this gradient color, and again I'm going to provide it shadow, like I'm going to provide it center offset shadow, and increasing the size of the shadow like this, and increasing the blurriness to some blurriness something like this. Okay, now I'll put this over here, right click and send it to back. Okay guys, so again here is need some correction guys, so I'm going to change the color of the shadow like this much. Yeah, this is fine guys. So what I'm going to do, I will select all these shapes and press Ctrl Z to make a single group guys and place it over here. Now press Ctrl D to make another duplicate copy, again pressing Ctrl D and Ctrl D to make 4 copy of this text, the shapes. Now for this shape, what I'm going to do, I will choose another color. Like for the left handle, what I'm going to do, for the left handle you can see here there's 2 handle. If you want to add some more handle, then you just have to click on this strip and you are able to add some handles over there. So for this shape, what I'm going to do, I will choose another color gradient. So I'm going to choose this fill option, and for the left handle here you will find the color options. Just click on that and choose eyedropper so that we can choose the color from this eyedropper. For the left I'm going to use this one, and for the right handle what I'm going to do, I'm going to choose this color. Again I'm doing the same with this shape. For the left handle I'm going to use this orange color. For the right handle, what I am going to do, I will choose this red color. Now for this shape I'm going to do the same guys. For the left handle, what I'm going to do, light gray sky blue color. For the right handle, what I'm going to do, I'll choose the dark blue color like this. Now I have to change the background color, so I'm going to choose a solid fill option because I don't want gradient there, and choose this gradient over there. Because the shape is also the same color, so the gradient we have to choose is something lighter than the shape color. So I'm going to choose this color for this. Yeah, that's fine guys. So you can see how simple this infographics is. Now you just have to change the step text over here. So this is 2 and this is 3 and this is step 4. Now let me introduce you which type of text I'm using in this infographic. So for this I'm using Calibri body and the size is 10, and for this I'm again using Calibri body and the size is 10. So simple guys. And the icons I have downloaded from the flaticon.com. This is very useful and important and best site for icon download guys. So if you want the icon, you can check out the site. The awesome icons are there. You can download the icons from there and using your project guide. So this is how simple the infographics is. If you have any query guys, then please don't forget to write me in the comment box, and if you want the further assistance without any cost, then please don't forget to write me on my WhatsApp number, which is 6205 273394. So that's all for today guys. See you in the next tutorial. Till now, bye, and thank you very much for watching this video.